Ruian Automation Technology Company Limited has a professional sales and service team. Our partner factory, Wenzhou Ruian Machinery Company Limited, is one of the outstanding packaging machinery manufacturers in China. We have 4 years of experience in the packaging machinery industry, has been delivered to multiple countries and regions. Our partners throughout Europe, America, and Southeast Asia bring us expertise from around the world. Wenzhou Ruian Machinery Company Limited has passed the certification of ISO 9001-2015 and CE standards. Our cooperation factory has 192 outstanding employees, with a planned area of 7,000 square meters, and we can produce 150 sets of various packaging equipment in 1 month. Each machine is manufactured according to customer requirements and carefully debugged before shipment. The R&D team of our cooperative factory is composed of more than 30 people and is committed to developing new equipment to adapt to changing technology and market needs. In addition, we have a professional after-sales service team who can provide partners with one-to-one video calls, on-site service, and free technical training. Our target is to create the extra value for our customers. The customer is our partner. At the same time, we believe that our company will win your recognition with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. Welcome to our factory inspection, negotiation, and cooperation.